Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
This is as Halloweenish as I've gotten.
That's cute.
There were 5 butterflies just
They're
flying
everywhere.
around.
Yeah, they are.
They're so
I've
pretty.
never seen them over
Really?
there
And they're
before.
so colorful now. too.
Yes. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm at my sister's place and I hope you can hear me because the echo is pretty bad and I hear the echo right now. But I hope you can hear me. Today we're going to be redoing my sister's balcony.
Here,
Thank
just
you.
in case you want.
Oh,
sorry.
Oh no, that's okay. This is my sister, by the way. Yeah, we're redoing her balcony. Okay, so we'll be back, you guys. We're just doing some cleaning right now, and then we're gonna show you step by step the arrangement. So he was dying and he rejuvenated himself.
Yeah, I moved him right here and he likes it right there and he came back.
Oh wow.
And then this guy just got a, because he was so big, we had to buy these things to hold him up.
Oh, I was wondering what those were.
Because he's heavy too.
Right.
And then they have those poles. Have you seen the poles?
I don't like those.
Yeah, they have the poles that you can just put up there and start tying them back.
I need to get some of those because I don't like those because they move too easy.
All right, you guys. So she has her rug down, and she has this furniture here that we're gonna be assembling.
He doesn't grow. These are new.
Oh wow.
Oh, he's not really good. I have green curtains.
There's this stuff this one girl used, honey. That stuff worked good. I went out. Oh, it just clean.
Here you have. Well, you better put some oil on that bad boy and call it a day. So you know, I can give you some.
So they're trying to figure out the best way to arrange this, because the way they set the couch up this time takes up more space than the way my sister had it before. These sheer curtains here are really nice and make the area really peaceful. We wanted to stick with the lighter curtains. She had some other curtains that were solid green, but we decided to keep it light and bright since it's still summer. Okay, yep, that I like that little plant stand there. She told me she got that from Joann's. I went online, but they didn't have any more online. Whoa! Really? Oh. I've been hiding mine from the sun.
Gone for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and this is what happened. You've been gone.
For 2 weeks.
I've been gone for 3 weeks.
And it wasn't nowhere.
It was
Nothing like
right
this.
here.
Oh, wow.
So when I left, he said
He
I'm
felt
gone
neglected. Yeah, I'm out of here.
She
But
But you said she could save this, right?
no, he can't be saved.
she could save
He
it.
can't be saved. He's gone. He's gone. Look.
Oh,
Yeah.
not this one. The peppermint one.
He's gone. He's gone.
And you got that
You
going on.
told me I
Yeah,
can save
yeah.
any plant.
Not that.
Not this one. Not when they don't have no
Look
leaves.
at the root.
This portion of the video is sponsored by the Burning Muse Candle Company. I wanted to share with you these 2 candle gift sets I received from them. The first one is a nice candle set with a cleaning kit. It's in a nice ceramic jar, heavy, smells really nice, and it has a nice decorative box. It's a perfect gift for someone you love or someone you like. And they sent me this second one here. It's also a gift set. It comes with a scented oil diffuser, 6 wax melts, and a nice luxury candle that smells so good. They also make decorative citronella candles for your outdoor area. So make sure you guys check out the Burning Muse Candle Company. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. And please remember to like the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh,